Astute 2020 Advanced Sustainable Manufacturing Technologies is a multi-university partnership of 5 Welsh higher education institutions, part-funded by the European Regional Development Fund through the Welsh Government.
The process for securing Astute 2020 funding was pretty straightforward. We had a dedicated technical manager to help us develop the project proposal. The panel who approved it were a mix of technical experts, industry experts and leaders of the operation, so we're in a position to understand the technical elements specific to the project.
It's best if you attend one of the Astute events or contact them via the website. From the very beginning, the team were extremely enthusiastic about the project and provided an awful lot of input and feedback, which was extremely valuable.
So other companies should approach Astute 2020 because, one, there is a significant amount of technical expertise in Astute. Secondly, it gave us the confidence and made us take the step to go and do this project.
We didn't know the expertise we had around us locally. I contacted Astute and it was great, to know there is expertise right on our doorstep. We've had a great experience and we'd like the sort of partnership to continue.